Alright guys, today we're going to be drawing all the weird faces I've seen and trying to make stuff out of them. These are like all the faces I've seen through Discord, the ones I remember anyways. And those would be, give me a second to actually open this window here. Those would be these. So one of my friends have sent me this one that they made. Don't know how I'll make anything out of that. And then there's this one. I'm doing this with the mouse, so it's going to be very difficult for me to actually make things out of this. Which is one I typically use. There is, of course, the classical. There is what's another one I'm seeing? I've seen someone sent this to me on Discord. I don't think I did that correctly. But yeah, you get what we're doing today, right? Okay? Okay. Let's just erase all those. Just click on that. My eraser size needs to be greater. It's gonna take a while. This might take quite a bit actually. I'm not pausing this at all. Definitely not gonna do that at some point. Nope. Okay, so I already have a body outline that we're going to be using for this. Stole it off the internet because it would just make things a lot easier for me. And we're going to put the body onto that. So we're going to go over to my files when I figure out where that is. Give me a second here. File. Oh, file. Let's open. Let us go over to my downloads. Chibi body base. Open that. I just want to open my body. So give me my base. Give me my base. Shit, no, that's not what I wanted. No. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I know what I'm doing. 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 Shut up. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Okay? I know what I'm doing. Alright? Give me a second. Just, there we go. I got it. It's here. So this is going to be our base for our drawing. Okay? This is going to be our base. Alright? This is our base. So we're going to be drawing all our weird crap on. We're not going to be coloring any of it. Alright, so let's grab our brush. Alright, the first face is I'm gonna have to tilt this, hold on, actually, hold on, wait, hold on, wait, no, wait, no, that's a, no, wait, no, I know what I'm doing. 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 I definitely know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Home? Rotation. Rotate. Resize. We're resizing this. I want to resize this. No, wait. Okay. Who knew I would have such difficulty figuring out what I'm doing? Selecting that, okay? Where we need to somehow tilt this. I don't, how, left, wrong way. I know what I'm doing, shut up. Right. Road. Yeah, whatever, we're working with it. We're working with it. It's fine. It's fine, I know what I'm doing. It's fine. So what was the face I was gonna use? Oh yeah, we were gonna somehow try to make something with this, okay? Actually, I should draw that over here. So we're trying to make something with this. That's what we're going to try to make something with. So let us grab that because I still need it. No, wait, no. Come back here. Why does it keep leaving? That's what I want to know. I got distracted. Don't worry about what I just did there. So let us grab our brush again. Make sure it does the drawing, okay. And then we try to make a face out of this. So we put our nose down, alright. So there's gonna be an eye right here, an eye right here, and we're gonna put that there. And like it's gonna be like an open mouth. So we put teeth down. I have to lean in so close to see what the hell I'm doing. So we put some teeth down. And yeah, boom, easy. There's a face. There is a face. So simple. My poor hair is being so... It's just fine. It's fine, I know what I'm doing. Done! So easy. There we go. I made artwork. I made artwork from that. I'm so amazing. Never doubt me again. Never doubt me again. I am the best in the world. So good at digital art. Don't doubt me. Alright, so there we go. I made a face with that, so we should try something else next. Alright, so next we're making something out of this face right here. This face right here, okay? So, that actually works just fine. But, we're gonna make a... Actually, they're not gonna make a nose. We're gonna go right in for the eyeballs. Alright. Okay. Add some blush. It's perfect. I don't know why anyone doubted me when I'm clearly superior here in every way. I am an artist. I'm just so good at drawing art that you've all doubted me. You all doubted me. But I proved myself to be far superior to the likes of you mortals. 'Cause I am just so great. And I'm just a master of art. You're all jealous. You're all jealous at my amazing artistic skills that you're shaking in your boots. I think this over here works better, honestly. This works a lot better. Alright, next thing that we're gonna make a face out of. So next we're gonna make a face out of this. So go here. Alright. Okay. Tiny little nose. And then like it's gonna be like a state of shock almost. So it's like, that's not what I wanted, but we're gonna go with it. So it's like it's great. It's looking great. You guys. Yes. You guys all doubted me. Yes. You guys all doubted me. You all doubted me. You all doubted my artistic degree. I can feel it. You're shaking in your boots. You can't fathom how much of an artist that I am. 'Cause I'm just I'm just so good. I'm just so good at arting that you all just don't know what to do. You all don't know what to do. My art skills are just too advanced for your puny brains to understand. 'Cause I am just a master, a master at art, and my art and skills are just too advanced for the mortal minds of you people to understand. Oh my god. I'm way better on paper. My lord, Jesus Christ, help me. Alright, next face is gonna be this one right here. So, it's clear what we have to do here, alright? It's clear what we have to do here. Okay. Alright. My skills at arting are just so great. You are all yeah, you're all jealous. You're all jealous. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep using that too. You're all jealous. I'm not even trying with the hair anymore. I'm just too great. You know, if I was to actually try, I could probably do something decently, but I'm not trying at all. I'm not trying at all. Alright, so next, have an itch on my arm. Anyways, next is this one right here. Alright, next is this one. Okay, just hold on. Gotta get that face going. Yeah, next is this one. So, gonna do a smile first. Oh my god. It's a great smile if I do say so myself. Great smile. Simple. You all doubted me. And this guy's gonna have this type of hairstyle, alright? Alright? Watch this amazing genius of a hairstyle, okay? Watch it. Alright. Best hairstyle ever. Justin Bieber. It's a bowl. Spiky bowl right here. And like, yeah. You just can't fathom. Can't fathom how great I am at drawing. You just don't understand. Alright, and for our final face, we're gonna do this one. Alright, so this is like another state of shock. So we just... and then we... That's not right. That's not... Okay, hold on. I know what I'm doing, shut up. We need circles. That's an oval. I need a circle. Where's circles? We can use this to our advantage. It's okay, he's gonna have one eye that's slightly smaller. That's alright. Because... because... because this is fantastic. Never doubt me again. I am a master drawer that there ever was. I'm gonna keep saying this until you guys believe me. So great. This is a guy, I swear. Some guys have long hair. I've seen it. Boom. Done. This completes my challenge. You guys have any more faces you want me to do? I'll draw them. I'll draw them for you. Send it to me in DMs or something. I don't know. I'm a genius. Did I remember to unpause? I'm a genius. Don't even worry about it. This concludes... oh my god. This concludes my drawing. It concludes it. It's all done. I'm a genius. I'll see you next time.